Are you feeling overwhelmed trying to figure out how to bring your family to the UK with a skilled worker visa? You're not alone. Many people face confusing requirements and unexpected hurdles that can make the process feel impossible. In this video, I'll be sharing my own experience of relocating to the UK with my family on a skilled worker visa, and hopefully, by the end of it, you'll have a better understanding of what to expect and how to navigate the process. I'll cover the eligibility criteria, the documents you need, and some personal tips that I've learned along the way. If you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for more immigration tips and stories about life in the UK. And if you're already part of the community, thanks for tuning in. I'm excited to share this personal story with you. Before we dive in, I want to acknowledge that everyone's situation is unique, and what worked for me might not work for you. However, I hope that by sharing my experience, you'll get some valuable insights and feel more confident in your own journey. My name is, and I'm excited to take you on this journey with me. So let's get started. I still remember the day I received my skilled worker visa approval letter. It was a mix of emotions, from relief to excitement. But the real challenge began when I had to figure out how to bring my family over. There were so many questions running through my mind. What documents do I need? How long will the process take? And what are the costs involved? Looking back, I wish someone had shared their personal experience with me, which is exactly what I'm doing today. I'm hoping that by sharing my story, you'll feel less alone and more empowered to take control of your own application process. In the next few minutes, I'll be sharing some of the most important lessons I've learned, from navigating the Home Office website to dealing with unexpected setbacks. So buckle up, and let's get started. I remember feeling overwhelmed by the sheer amount of information available online. It's like drinking from a fire hose, right? That's why I decided to share my experience, hoping that it would help simplify the process for others. My journey wasn't without its challenges, and I'm sure you'll face your own obstacles along the way. But I want you to know that it's worth it. Being reunited with your loved ones and starting a new life in the UK is an incredible feeling. So let's talk about the eligibility criteria for family members to join you on the skilled worker visa. The first thing you need to understand is that your family members will need to meet certain requirements, such as being your spouse, civil partner, or dependent. One of the most important things to note is that your family members will need to provide evidence of their relationship with you. This can include marriage certificates, birth certificates, or other documents. In my case, I had to provide proof of my income and employment in the UK, as well as evidence of our shared accommodation. It was a lot of paperwork, but it was worth it in the end. The Home Office website has a list of required documents, which I'll link in the description box below. Be sure to check it out and plan ahead. It'll save you a lot of stress in the long run. I also recommend speaking with an immigration expert or seeking advice from a trusted friend who's gone through the process. They can offer valuable insights and help you avoid common mistakes. Today, I'm visiting a local immigration office to get more information about the application process for family members. I'm excited to share their insights and expertise with you, and hopefully, it'll give you a better understanding of what to expect. The immigration officer I spoke with emphasized the importance of providing accurate and complete documentation. It's crucial to getting your application approved quickly and efficiently. I also learned that the Home Office has a dedicated team that reviews applications for family members, so it's essential to make sure your application is thorough and complete. One of the most FAQs I get is about the financial requirements needed to support family members in the UK. The short answer is that you'll need to demonstrate that you can provide adequate maintenance for your loved ones. In my case, I had to show proof of my income and savings, as well as evidence of our shared accommodation. It was a challenge, but I was determined to make it work. The most important thing is to plan ahead and budget accordingly. It's not just about meeting the financial requirements, but also about ensuring that you can provide a comfortable life for your family in the UK. A typical day in my life as a skilled worker in the UK is always busy, but I love it. From morning till evening, I'm either working, spending time with my family, or exploring this beautiful city. One of the things I love about the UK is the cultural diversity. You can find people from all walks of life, and it's amazing. My family and I have made some amazing friends here, and we're always discovering new foods, traditions, and experiences. Today, I'm joined by my wife, who's going to share her perspective on what it's like to relocate to the UK as a family member on a skilled worker visa. Thanks for joining me, honey. She's going to share some of the challenges we faced, as well as some of the things she wishes she'd known before making the move. My wife shared some valuable insights, from dealing with homesickness to navigating the healthcare system in the UK. It was amazing to hear her perspective and see how much we've grown as a family. As we wrap up this video, I want to thank you for watching and sharing your own experiences in the comments below. It means the world to me, and I hope it helps others who are going through a similar journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more immigration tips and stories about life in the UK. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos, let me know. In our next video, we'll be discussing some common mistakes to avoid when applying for the skilled worker visa. It's going to be a valuable video, so be sure to tune in. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. If you're watching this video, chances are you're considering relocating to the UK with your family on a skilled worker visa. I want to encourage you to take the leap. It's not always easy, but it's worth it in the end. Don't forget to check out our previous video and be sure to subscribe for more immigration tips and stories about life in the UK. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Leave a comment below with your own experiences or questions about bringing your family to the UK on a skilled worker visa. I'd love to hear from you and maybe even feature your story in a future video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.